In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Replit Project 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a complete copy of your project saved to your computer as a zip file, perfect for backups, sharing, or working offline. We're using the fastest, most reliable method, downloading the entire project as a zip. This grabs everything you see in your project's file tree, so you have a clean snapshot you can keep or move anywhere. Start by opening your project. Sign into your Replit account and navigate to the exact project you want to save. Give the editor a moment to fully load, especially if your project is large or pulls in dependencies at startup. It helps to double check the project name at the top of the editor so you're sure you're in the right workspace. Next, locate the Files pane. This is the sidebar that lists your folders and files. Depending on your layout, it may appear on the left or the right. If you don't see it immediately, look for a Files label or a folder icon and expand it. Sometimes the pane is collapsed. Dragging the splitter bar or widening your browser window will reveal it. Now access the menu for that pane. At the top right of the Files panel, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click that. This is the panel's own menu, not the browser's menu, and it contains actions specific to your project files. If you hover your cursor, you should see a tooltip that confirms you're in the right place. Choose Download as Zip. Replit will begin bundling your project into a single archive. If your project has many files or large assets, this may take a moment. Avoid closing the tab while it's preparing the download. If your browser prompts for permission to download multiple files, allow it so the zip can save without interruption. Finally, save the file. Most browsers will automatically place the zip in your downloads folder and show a confirmation at the bottom or top of the window. If your browser asks you where to save, pick a location you'll remember and consider renaming the file to something descriptive. The zip reflects the files and folders you saw in the Files pane at the time of download. Services that live outside your file tree, like external databases or hosted secrets, aren't bundled in this archive. That's it. Your Replit project is now safely backed up as a zip on your computer. Keep it organized and repeat this process whenever you want a fresh snapshot of your work. Thanks for watching and happy building.